Hello and welcome back to the Sand and Track YouTube channel. Today's video is all about replacing the forgotten rear window wiper. As you can see in the video, my rear window wiper is quite damaged. I've never changed it since I've owned this car, since 2008, so it's almost 16 years old. I've tried to find it locally. It was very hard to find. Details in the description below. They can tell you where you can order this online. So, very simple process to replace this. All you have to do is just pull the rear window wiper back, pull it all the way back, as you can see in the video here. Pull, don't worry, and then start to push it up, and it simply comes out. Voila, that's it. And then what you do is you get the replacement window wiper. As you can see, I've got the new one in my hand right now. So the rounded part on the top goes towards the top, just in case you forgot how you've done it. As you can see, the top part, all you have to do then is just slip it through, and you'll require a bit of force. I was using one hand here to video, and then you just pull it back, push it back into place, and that's it. Voila, it's as simple as that. It's a really simple process to replace it. It's often something that's not often used, but I find it's often ignored or forgotten in the Pajero. I hope you found this video useful, and please do subscribe.